shoppers, I just got my brand new O-Cedar Easy Ring mop system in the mail today. It arrived in this box. I want to know if this is going to meet my expectations, but I've heard lots of great things about it. Let's open this package up and see what's inside. Now, one of the things I like when I read about this is that it is a one bucket system. There are the poles for the mop. Here is the O-Cedar mop right here. And here is the insert for the Easy Ring. Let's put this together here. In the box, you get this mop pail, and it has the spinning mechanism right there that's operated with the foot pedal. So you can see when I pump that foot pedal, that's really cool, it's going to spin my mop and get all the water out. We have the mop head that comes with the Velita Easy Ring mop. Nice microfiber mop head. Here is the top for the mop, and we even get an instruction sheet. This is what they say their mop will do. If you can read those numbers, that's very impressive. Assembly for this is super easy. It actually came mostly assembled in the box. All you have to do is take this Easy Ring system that's right here and insert it into the bucket right there. Now, this is a two-part system. Pops in like that. Now, this is a genius system. When you are mopping, this is the only place the water goes. So the water in here is always clean. So when you have your mop, you're spinning the dirt out of this and putting this in here for the clean. That is genius. Now let's assemble the mop so we can see how this system actually works. This just screws together nice and easy. The mop base also just screws right in like that to the handle. Now our mop is almost fully assembled. We just have to add the mop head. This is a really nice microfiber mop head. Now this is supposed to work really well on all surfaces, including tile, wood, ceramic. And as far as putting it on, it literally just snaps in here. Now you can use some pressure. There, you heard that snap. And now the mop head is attached to the mop handle. It's got a nice pivot to it like this, so you can see that you can use it from just about any angle as you want to. And when you're right up and down like that, it does fit really nice into the spinner. That is pretty awesome. The design of this mop is pretty genius. This here is the clean water system. And if you think it looks a little bit like a holding tank, it is. This is the cap right here, and you would put this under your sink and fill up this with clean water. Once you have this reservoir in here filled, you close the lid like that, and you put the clean water tank into this base bucket here. Now we'll look at the guts of the base bucket. You have your spinner right here, and then you have a wide open space here to collect dirty water. Once we have this all filled, now this little mechanism right here is a release for clean water. So when you pull this up, clean water floods into this part of the bucket, and then you just close it so that you can get your mop wet. Place the mop in the rinsing chamber. To operate this, now that this is filled with clean water, you just put your mop in here to rinse it like that, and then you put it over here into the ringing chamber like that. You can push it down. And with your foot, you can operate this, and it's going to spin your mop and spin all the water out of it. And then you will be ready to mop your floors. Now, when you're spinning the mop, you want to make sure that you're holding it loosely, because the mop handle has to be able to rotate with the wringer. If you hold on to it too tight, you're actually going to mess with the bucket, and you won't be able to let the mop spin. You can customize the amount of water that you want on your floor surface based on how much you wring the mop out. So if you want a lot of wet soapy water to really soak into your ceramic floors and get that grime off, you can do a couple spins and still have a pretty wet mop to put on the floor. However, if you're working on your hardwood floors and you want something that's much more dry, of course, more pumps of the foot pedal will definitely wring out that water and give you a much drier mop for cleaning your hardwood floors. Now, this is a really cool system. It's thoughtful because you don't end up putting your mop back into dirty water again. You have this reservoir that you can fill. You've got this really neat valve for letting the clean water in, and you have the option to use the Vileda or the O-Cedar packs, which are a pre-measured detergent that work really well with this cleaning system. Another great thing about this system is that these mop heads are machine washable and interchangeable. There's actually 2 other kinds of mop heads that you can get to replace. They have the white Easy Ring standard refill, and it is white chenille just like this one. It actually feels wrong to put it on the floor because it looks like a big fluffy white sweater. The other option is the Easy Clean Deep Clean mop head replacement, because in the center, instead of just the chenille, they actually put a really great microfiber scrubbing pad. You have lots of options with this system that you can use to help get your floors really, really clean. And I love that you can actually interchange these while you're mopping. The great thing is that you can wash them and be ready to go for the next time you clean the floors. They say that you can get 3 months out of a mop head. I am super excited to try it out for real and see what it's like, but I'm really impressed with what I see out of this box. It definitely measures up to my expectation. All that remains is for me to go mop my floors, but I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a family favorite at my house.